Hi, my name is Nocheski Solar. Today is a great day because we're about to make changes in the solar design of our most recent customer. Basically, what they originally had in place was a single-phase solar power system. And in order for the customer to be able to utilize three-phase equipment within the residence, it's important for us to change the design into a three-phase system and also amp up the capacity to be able to carry the total electrical loads. So walk with me in this journey, Nocheski Solar, energy anytime, anywhere. Now you want to ask, why would somebody want to have a three-phase solar power system? Typically, most homes are actually wired three-phase because you could have equipment that require three-phase power. Now, equipment that require three-phase power are often power hungry and they need a lot of power. In addition to this, a three-phase solar power system actually allows you to have efficient distribution of the loads across the phases. And so there's a balance in the electrical distribution system. And that is why we're here today.